how to fix Ryanair app not scanning passport. So if you want to fix your Ryanair app not scanning passport, then what you need to do is first you need to ensure proper lighting and clarity. So position your passport on a flat, well lit surface, avoid any glare or shadows that might disturb the details, and ensure that the entire passport page, including the signature, is visible within the frame. Hold your device steady to prevent blurriness. Next, you need to verify information accuracy. Confirm that the name on your booking matches exactly with the name on your passport. You can also try to update the Ryan app. So go ahead and open up your App Store or your Play Store and then search for Ryanair. After searching, if you have any updates on this application, just simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go back and then tap and hold on to that application. Go with the app info section. Once you're in your app info, you need to go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. After clearing your cache, you can just simply go and restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.